So welcome back, and now we'll see how we can perform nested routing. So let's go into this app folder. Let's open this app, and we can see there is JS app. So if we create something like root for a JS app, first .js, and I do rafc hello from first, and now what I do if I just go and try to say that I need to go into this app.js app first. So it's not going to work. It's going to throw 404. So how can we troubleshoot that? So we'll come back into JS app and we'll create a folder inside it named first. And inside that we'll just paste this. Okay, I'll just move it here for JS app because that's how it's going to identify it. And now if we refresh, so we have something like hello from first. So this is how nested routing works, and this can be performed. And there are certain other routes that can be done, like for error there is a route, for layout there is a like we can go into the layout and attach that.